Welcome to this tutorial. How to uninstall software in Windows. If you are facing an issue of slow computer performance, then you must uninstall some unused software. Uninstalling the software can also free up disk space. Let's see the steps to uninstall those software or you do not want to use them in the future. Click on the Start window icon. Click on the Settings gear icon. In the Settings window, click on the Apps option. Scroll down to see the installed apps. And find the app that you want to uninstall. Like here, I am going to uninstall the Skype app. Click on the app name, and then click on the Uninstall button. An alert pop-up box will appear, and click on the Uninstall button. This will uninstall your selected app. Close the Settings window. You can also uninstall the app by using the control panel. Let's see how. Click on the Windows search bar at the bottom left and type Control Panel. From the search result, click on the Control Panel app. In the Control Panel window, click on the Uninstall a Program link under the Programs option. In the Programs and Features window, select a program from the list that you want to uninstall. Click on the Uninstall button in the toolbar. Then, in the confirmation box, click on the Yes button. This will uninstall your selected software from the control panel. Now, close the control panel window. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.